Hi, my name is Melissa Cavender, and I'm the elementary librarian here at Lincoln. The goal of the library is to support students as they become effective and ethical thinkers and researchers. We celebrate and encourage children's curiosity. The library is intentionally designed so that children of all ages may locate resources as self-navigators to match their own diverse interests. At the library, we support parents as they raise readers. We have our collection of over 20,000 books in print in over 18 languages. We also have books online, ebooks, audiobooks, and online research databases. Families are encouraged to come to the library. Parents may have their own accounts. You can come to the library during our weekend family days, after school with your children, or during our toddler story time. Happy reading, and we'll see you in the library.